Let's try that again. We'll put a little bit more on there. Just getting it up from the tip of the gun. And like I say, you don't want to play with it too much after. Okay. That's about it. Now, if I wanted to, I'm going to try this. Getting my finger wet. Just putting a little spit on it. And knocking down the edge. Do that with your finger. It doesn't stick, see? You did that with a dry finger, it'd be all get out. There's something else you can do too. You can just get your tip of your blade wet, you know, with a damp rag or something, and just kind of go over that, you know. And that helps it slide a little bit easier. After you get the liquid nail on there. Like I say, you're not really going to use liquid nails, you know, for caulking, but in this case, we are. Now would be a good time to fill this in. Remember the open pores, just on the stile, the edge of the door from here down. See how that's rough? That's the edge, the cut edge, and that's exposed all of the wood grains to moisture. We don't want that because it cracked there before. Here we got a little hole there, remember? Okay. And I'm doing this because we got the door down. I'm just gonna flatten that out, you know, that. Now that's cleaned up the pores. Man, when that dries, I don't think any water is gonna affect the bottom edge of this door anymore. What do you think? Looks like we got a nice little mess going on here. At this point, I think I'm going to take this masking tape off in case it leaves a little edge. I want the liquid nails to have an edge, you know? If there is, I may have to wipe that off a little. See, if you didn't have the masking tape down, man, you'd have a big mess going on. Doesn't look too bad. Like there's a little bit of an edge. I may have to see if I can just wet my finger or something. And just blend that in. You know, all along where the masking tape was. You didn't know you needed to be an artist when you were doing repairs, huh? You know, you do what you gotta do to make it look right. Sometimes it's an unconventional way how you're gonna do that, right? Such as this. Alright, I've got to let that set some more now. And I'll come back and do a light sanding of that. I can't sand that, and I don't want to paint that yet because that's the paint's not going to take to that. Plus I want to slick up the surface a little bit, and a little bit of the sanding edges. The paint's going to stick better to it, and I'll get a nice job. Hey, when you do patches, do all the steps and do it right.